Hello and welcome to problem 34. We're going to look through A, B, C, and D here. Each one we're trying to solve for x. The key in this one is that this is an equilateral triangle, right? So the angles in an equilateral triangle all have to be the same. So if this is 4x minus 12, then this one has to be 4x minus 12, and this has to be 4x minus 12. And we know that all the angles in a triangle have to add up to be 180, right? So we could set an equation that says this 180 has to equal 3 of these 4x minus 12s. Or you could do 4x minus 12 plus 4x minus 12 plus 4x minus 12. It's just a little simpler. And if I do this, I can distribute. That gives me 12x minus 36. I'm going to need a calculator friend here in a moment. Now if I add 36 to both sides, could someone hit me with 180 plus 36? Tell me the number.
It's free. 216.
216. And then to divide these both by 12, you hit 216 divided by 12.
18.
So x is 18. In the second one, hopefully you recognize this right angle makes it a right triangle, which means Pythagorean theorem can work. So now we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 3.1 squared plus x squared equals 4.9 squared. Okay, can you hit 3.1 squared?
9.961.
You said 9.9?
61.
9.61 plus x squared equals, and then 4.9 squared. Should be a little less than 25.
24.01.
Thank you. Now let's subtract 9.61. 24.01 minus 9.61.
14.4.
And it's almost done, but I still have to square root both sides. The square root of 14.4.
3.7.
Okay. There we go, that's B. C has a bunch of different little components to it. When you see the arrows, that means these lines are parallel. And when we have parallel lines, we normally look for alternate interior angles or correspondings. This one has alternate interiors right here. Calculator friends can help me figure out what 51 plus 103 plus something to add up to be 180. That's going to be 154. So 180 minus 154. That's 26. And so if that's alternate interior, then this also has to be 26. And now I can do 26 plus 82 plus something to be 180. That makes 108. So 180 minus 108 is 72. That's what x is there. Okay. In the last one, what kind of shape is this? That's a square, or a rhombus, I suppose, which means that this has to equal this. So we could start with an equation that 2x plus 9 equals 3x minus 2. Subtract 2x from both sides. And add 2. Looks like x is equal to 11. Thanks and have